Kahtion Beatz. It's Sr.M.A.T.R.I.X right here, see what I mean? I'm stepping in the streets. Yeah, see I got the AR-15 load up in there. Niggas gonna get bullet right here, see what I mean? It's Sr.Matrix, Matrix. Stepping in the wall with the AR-15. Niggas gonna dead like that, that's your M16. See what I mean? Just with my team. Niggas gonna dead, you can see what I mean? Yeah, ready for the war, niggas gonna dead. What I mean, yeah, bust off the head. Coming out, yeah, coming with the feds. I don't fear the feds, right? Hey, niggas going dead, yeah. See when I come in the street with the AR-15, load up your seat. Niggas gonna dead, right? Hey, simming out that Sr.M.A.T.R.I.X, load up the clips, yo. Niggas gonna dead when I step like that. Roll it up in the street with my thugs like that, yeah. No driving, straight walk foot, yo. Niggas gonna dead, yeah. See what I mean, yeah. In the war, right? Hey, so I'm ready now. Niggas gonna dead, right? Hey, yeah, hear me now. Make a phone call on the phone like that. Ready for niggas like that. I kill them dead and out, yeah. In the street, ready now. Niggas gonna dead like that. See me coming right now, loading up the hall. Hey, niggas gonna dead, you know. See what I mean? That's your AKs right now. I say AR-15 rolling with me now. Load up the clips right here, right you know. That's your M16 gun, right you know. Get the AR-15, right you know. Hold on, yeah, see what I mean? Niggas gonna dead, yeah. Travel like a bomb when I blow head, yeah. Niggas dead like that when the feds coming, yeah. Say, yeah, get the AR-15. Niggas gonna dead like that. That's your M16, yo. Niggas gonna dead like that. Loading up the clips right here in the shoes, yo. I say, yeah. Rolling on the clicks on the glocks. Niggas gonna dead like that. See when I'm coming back. Don't scare the niggas right here. See right now. Kill niggas, yo, yo. See when I'm stepping out in the war. Get the AR-15, yeah. Niggas gonna dead like that. What I mean, loading up like that. Just me on my team, yeah. That's your AKs 45. Niggas gonna dead when they never stay alive. AKs 47, yo, I don't want that. Just give me the AR-15 like that. See what I mean, you know. Woozy right, you know. Shot right, you know. Clips right, you know. Backs right, you know. Cushion beats right, you know. Niggas gonna dead like that. Hear me, you know, I say. Get the AR-15, niggas gonna dead like that. That's your M16, yeah. See what I mean? Stepping up with the clips, load up, bro. With my gun and out, yeah. Sr.Matrix. Kahtion, yeah.
Kahtion Beatz.